What's up, guys? This is Errol. This is Errol from Errol the Adventurer. I thought something was This is Errol from ErrolTheAdventurer.com. And I was thinking about something. I was thinking about my old science teacher, 6th grade science teacher, Mr. Batten. And he told me this story about science. He said once there was a scientist, and he was doing experiments on frogs, and he put a bell behind the frog, and he hit the bell, and the frog jumped, and he documented that shit. Awesome. And then he takes out, like, I guess a scalpel, or maybe a butcher knife. I don't know what kind of scientist this really was, or if it was a real scientist, because this is a weird experiment. But this is what my sixth grade science teacher told me, and it's gonna pull together. Stick with me, okay? So he takes the scalpel and he slices off one of the legs, the back leg, sews it up, puts the frog back in front of the bell, hits it, ding! The frog jumps, but a little bit to the right. You know what I'm saying? Because he cut off the left back leg. I had to do that in my head, really. It had to make sense, right? Said I see. So scientist, I see. He rinses off the scalpel and he cuts off the other back leg, sews it up. Frog was like, what the fuck is going on, bruh? He puts the frog back in front of the bell, rings it hard, ding! The frog flips backwards. Interesting. So, normally I could have did that right with the mad scientist twist, but I'm still trying to grow that. Anyways, fascinating. And basically, I don't have to go through the drama of it all. He does it again and again, until eventually he puts the frog in front of the bell, and the frog doesn't have any legs, and he hits the bell, ding, and the frog don't jump, ding, the frog don't jump, ding, the frog just sitting there. He now has his theory. If you cut off all 4 of a frog's legs, it goes deaf. Who'd have thunk it? Scientific method. Anyways, I actually put that in my ebook. I'm not insane, I'm informed, and thank you for your time. It's by Errol Fisher on Amazon.com right now. But yeah, check me out on YouTube, subscribe to that. Lots of stuff like this. But I'm just sitting here chilling on this wonderful Saturday morning, Medela, Florida. Lake Berry, as I like to call it. Anyways, check me out. Errol from ErrolTheAdventurer.com. Peace.